the Delta Cruzer 10-inch wet tile saw. Let's see what this thing's all about. Let's order it, check it out, review it. I already love the 7-inch Delta Cruzer saw. And here it is, folks. Rips up to 39 inches with plunge. This will be a good comparison to the DeWalt D36000. They have their pros, they have their cons, but this video will only be a comprehensive review. Video number 2, of course, subscribe. If you want to see video number 2, that will be a comparison of this and the new DeWalt D36000. So let's unbox this, assemble it, and install it on my existing Delta 7-inch gravity stand here. Let's quickly unbox, assemble, and show you what the 10-inch Delta Cruzer looks like up close. Large water tray and frame. Water tray. Extension tray for large format tile. 10-inch diamond blade. It feels just okay. An upgrade would probably be recommended. Your pump. Here's the motor. It feels and looks beefy, very large arm here for cutting large tiles. Let's quickly mount this. Installing the pump. Installing the large sliding tray. The rubber feels really good. Very minimal amount of slop and movement within the tray. So far, so good, guys. For the money, this is a very well-made tile saw. Let's quickly install the blade, the large format extension table, and all of the water containment trays. Well, here it is in all its glory, a good looking saw. Let's show you what it looks like up close, and then we plug it in, fill it with water, and test it on some large and thick tiles. And this is what we're going to cut: a 36-inch porcelain plank, and we will also miter a 12 by 24 porcelain tile. Now, one thing to point out, this cuts up to 39 inches with the plunge option. And as you can see here, guys, the tile is up on the back of the fence. In order to cut a 3-foot, 36-inch porcelain plank, rip it, you need to raise the motor, activate the plunge option, like so. It looks like it's a very clean cut. Let's quickly check the accuracy on a 36-inch porcelain plank. We have 2 11/16 and 2 11/16. Yes, the Delta Cruzer does cut accurate on a 3-foot large format tile. Time to miter this 12x24 porcelain. Now, one great thing to point out is when mitering with these high capacity tile saws, with the 12x24, you can simply miter with it facing up rather than upside down because of this massive arm over here. A very clean miter. I like it. Not a problem at all. A fantastic saw. Well, there you have it, guys. The Delta Cruzer 10-inch wet tile saw. It is a fantastic saw. Let's quickly go over the pros and the cons. The pros are it is priced very, very well. I purchased this saw for $970 for the saw, the blade, and the gravity stand. Also, right out of the box, it cuts very straight and accurate. Now the cons, this saw does sit very, very low. For a guy like me, 6'3", cutting all day long would make my back sore. Also, you cannot lay down a 36-inch, a 3-foot porcelain tile on this tray without using the plunge option. Other than that, I like this saw. It's a fantastic saw. It's a great bargain. Highly recommended. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you want to see this saw up against the D36000, which will be part 2 of the review, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and if you want to help my channel, best way to do that is to tap that like button right down there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.